In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text case in Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you want to turn your text into uppercase, lowercase, title case, or sentence case, Illustrator has a built-in feature that makes this incredibly simple. This is especially useful when you're working on logos, social media graphics, posters, or client projects and need to adjust capitalization without retyping everything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and load the document that contains the text you want to edit. To change the case of any text, the very first step is to select it. You can do this in two ways. If you want to edit specific words or letters, grab the Type tool from the toolbar on the left, click inside your text, and highlight exactly what you want to modify. If you want to change the case of the entire text object, you can instead use the Selection tool, which is the black arrow, and simply click on the text box to select it. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu and click on Type. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Change Case. Hover over Change Case and you'll see several different capitalization options appear. This is where the magic happens. The first option is uppercase. If you click uppercase, Illustrator will instantly convert all the selected text into capital letters. This is perfect for headlines, bold titles, branding elements, or whenever you want strong visual emphasis. Next is lowercase. If you choose lowercase, Illustrator will convert all selected text into small letters. This can be useful for modern design styles, minimalist branding, or when you need a softer visual tone. The third option is title case. When you select title case, Illustrator capitalizes the first letter of most major words in your text. This is commonly used for headings, book titles, blog graphics, and professional layouts where proper formatting matters. Finally, there's sentence case. When you click sentence case, Illustrator capitalizes only the first letter of the first word in the sentence, while the rest remains lowercase unless already formatted differently. This is ideal for paragraphs, body text, and more natural reading formats. The best part about using change case in Illustrator is that it doesn't affect your font, size, spacing, or styling. It only changes the capitalization, so you don't have to worry about your design shifting or breaking. And remember, this works on both live editable text and multiple text boxes at once, as long as they're selected. If you ever make a mistake, just press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo the change instantly. And that's how you change text case in Illustrator. It's quick, clean, and saves you from manually retyping your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.